So hello and welcome back to another video. We are in the wife's Stepwgn. Now if you remember my last video, if you saw it, I actually installed a dash cam and a rear cam into my wife's Stepwgn. Now it works great. The only issue I have is I bought the sort of like the universal Honda one, which it comes with two different plugs that goes into the interior lights. Now the instructions and everything came for a Honda Accord, and they fit Honda Accord, Civics, everything else. They do fit the Stepwgn, but the wiring is a little bit different, and that is what I am fixing today. Now on the interior light on the Stepwgn has two cables, permanent live and an earth, which all well and good. Do you know what I mean? It powered up the dash cam works. The only issue is the dash cam is on all the time and it drains the battery. So today's video, I have actually ordered the proper cabling, which we're going to have to go through the fuse box. And you know, it's not an expensive cable. I think the kit came to £32. I used a discount code which is in the description below, and saved a little bit of money on that. So yeah, it turned up really quickly. It's actually here. It turned up while just before I went on holiday, and today is the first time that I've actually had a chance to install it. So let's have a quick look at the kit. So the wiring kit comes in this just generic box, quite discreet, and you get a nice long cable to go from your fuse box all the way up to your dash cam. So yeah, we've got to get that up and around, and then on the end you have your earth cable, and this little plug will go to these. And I think this is where most of the cost actually comes into, because they send you different fuse carriers for, obviously different cars have different fuses, and they send you pretty much every single type that you may need. So you know, it's a universal kit, so it comes with that essentially. And we're going to need to see what fuses we have, and you know, prime example, very small fuses that will literally go into your fuse board. You put the fuse that was in your fuse board into that hole there, and then that powers up to the cable and fuses that. And you have two of them. One of them is for your mains and one of them is for your ignition, which is what we're missing. We're missing the ignition cable for this car. So I'm trying to work out where should we start first. I think we should actually take the interior light out again, move the cables, feed the cable back round, because on the Stepwgn the fuse box, the interior fuse box, is down by the driver's feet. I have actually removed the cover for the fuse box where the bonnet pull is, and we actually, to be fair, you don't even have to remove this. The fuse boxes, the fuses are just sat there, but for ease of getting everything, I've removed it anyway, and then I can actually read what the fuses are. I know roughly we're going to go on the interior for the permanent live, and 29, so we need 35 and 29. They're the two fuses we're going to be using. Interior light, permanent live, cigarette socket, because that is an ignition live. So I'm not going to bore you with all this. What I'll do is I'm going to quickly put it on a time lapse, and so yeah, let's get this light out, feed the cable through, and get the job done. Is the old cable removed. As you can see, three cables. on the actual light plug, just the two, which is the issue and why it was draining, because it was constantly on. It didn't have an ignition switch to turn it off. So we're going to poke the cable through. Right, and pretty much just like that, the cable just fell straight into place. So easy, no messing about, nice and easy. I just need to work out which fuses I'm going to need to use, and then I got to work out there is literally an earth port there. Yeah, nice and easy. It's a case of I'm going to put the fuses in. Is there a, I'm hoping there is a fuse pull-up. If not, it's going to be a royal pain in my bum. There isn't a fuse pull-up, so it's going to be a royal pain in my bum. I'm going to work out quickly which fuses I need, and we'll get it plugged in. Right, so after pulling the fuse out, look how diddy that is. It's a really weird fuse. It's not one I've ever seen before, but they actually sent it in the kit. How cool is that? So yeah, we're gonna crack on with this now. Right, so it's plugged in. I put the earth cable on the 9mm. It was actually a 9mm nut, which is a weird sized nut to have. But it doesn't seem to be powering up. Now, I had this issue before on this car. It didn't initially power up when I first started it, and that is because when the light is unplugged and unscrewed, that earths it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the light back together and check, see if that actually makes it work. Right, okay, so we are actually back out in the car, solely for the fact that I was editing the video and yeah, the heat actually corrupted the file. But yeah, we are back out in the car, and if you can see the LEDs, it's all working. It's on the ignition. I actually have it on the app here, and the best thing is I turn the ignition off and it turns itself off, which is the main thing I actually wanted. So no more drained battery, no more issues in that regard. So yeah, on that note, I'm super happy. Don't have to worry about being at work, the wife coming out, the battery being drained or anything like that. So yeah, the FitcamX Hardwire Kit, yeah, nice and easy, straight up and around. yeah, I can't really complain about it. So if you're interested in getting one yourself, I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I now have to decide what I'm going to do to the car next. I'm thinking it might be time to sort out that reverse camera, because it's off center, and yeah, I'm not overly happy with it before we start any of the exterior sort of mods that I want to do to the car. Just got to get it all dialed in perfectly for the other bits before we start the other stuff. But on that note, thank you ever so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll be back in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching. Adios.